Before buying a drawing tablet, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, HUION Canvas 13 Gen 3. The HUION Canvas 13 Gen 3 caught my attention right away with its sleek design and impressive features. Priced at $209.99, it positions itself as a serious contender for both hobbyists and professionals. If you want a tablet that feels like an extension of your creative self, this is worth a serious look. This means every subtle movement you make is captured with precision, which is crucial when you want to create lifelike art. Plus, the anti-glare canvas glass 2 lets you draw without the distraction of reflections, making it feel like you're drawing directly on paper. The 99% sRGB color coverage ensures your colors pop just right, which matters a lot when you're trying to get the perfect shade for your artwork. And with dual dials and 5 customizable keys, you can streamline your workflow and spend less time fiddling with settings and more time creating. Now, some users have complained about the tablet needing to be connected to a computer to function. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about digital art, having that connection to a more powerful device can actually enhance your creative process. It's not a deal breaker for most artists, but could be a consideration if you're looking for a standalone device. This is perfect for you if you're a budding artist or a seasoned professional looking for an immersive drawing experience. Skip this if you prefer a portable tablet that you can use on the go without being tethered to a computer. For what you get, it offers solid value for money. Now, if the need for a computer connection bothered you, the next one might actually be more your style. Product number 2, XP Pen Deco 1v3. Next up is the XP Pen Deco 1v3, which stands out for its affordability at just $41.99. This tablet is perfect for anyone who's just getting into digital art. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features, this is definitely worth considering. This means you can create beautifully smooth lines and shading, mimicking the feel of a traditional pen. Plus, with 8 customizable shortcut keys, you can tailor the tablet to your workflow, making it incredibly convenient for both right and left-handed users. It connects easily to various devices, including Android phones, making it super versatile. With over 14,300 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, people love it for its simplicity and effectiveness. However, some users noted that the build quality feels a bit cheaper compared to more expensive tablets. Honestly, while it may not have the premium feel, it performs really well for its price point, which many beginner artists find more than acceptable. This is perfect for you if you want an entry-level tablet that performs well without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a more robust and premium-feeling tablet. Given its price, it's a fantastic value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 3, HUION Inspiroi H640p. Moving on, we have the HUION Inspiroi H640p, which is a compact and affordable option at $29.99. This tablet caught my eye for its size and functionality. If you need something portable that you can easily take anywhere, this is definitely worth a look. This means you get a natural pen-like feel without the hassle of charging. The customizable hotkeys help streamline your workflow, allowing you to personalize the experience based on your favorite software. It's also compatible with various operating systems, which is a big plus for those using different devices. However, some users mention that the workspace might feel a bit small if you're used to larger tablets. Here's the thing though, if you're a beginner or you need something portable, this compact size can actually encourage more frequent use and practice since it's easier to carry around. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or need a tablet that fits easily into your backpack. Skip this if you're looking for a larger drawing area to work on detailed projects. For its price, it's an incredible value for what it offers. Now, if you want a more spacious option, let's check out the next tablet. Product number 4, HUION Inspiroi H1060p. Next, We have the HUION Inspiroi H1060p priced at $40.99. It's slightly larger than the previous model, which caught my attention immediately. If you're looking for a tablet that gives you a bit more room to breathe while drawing, this one is worth checking out. The H1060p offers a 10x 625-inch active area, which gives you a comfortable space to work with. The battery-free stylus supports up to 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity for precision drawing. Plus, you get 12 customizable hotkeys and 16 soft keys, which can drastically improve your workflow. It's compatible with a wide range of software, so whether you're using Photoshop or Illustrator, this tablet has got you covered. Some users reported occasional connectivity issues with certain devices. But here's the thing, as long as you're using it with compatible systems, it performs exceptionally well and shouldn't cause significant problems. This is perfect for you if you want a good balance of size and features for serious drawing. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-portable, as it's a bit bulkier. For the features you get, it's a solid investment. Now, if you want the largest working area of the bunch, let's move to the next product. Product number 5, UGEE M708. Finally, let's talk about the UGEE M708, priced at $39.99. This tablet has a 10x 6-inch active area, which is great for artists who want a larger workspace. If you want an affordable tablet with a decent drawing area, this one deserves your attention. It also includes 8 customizable hotkeys, making it easier to access your favorite shortcuts. This tablet is compatible with a variety of systems and software, which makes it quite flexible for different users. However, some users felt that the stylus could feel a bit heavier than others. Honestly, while it might take some getting used to, many find that they adapt quickly, and the precision it offers is definitely worth the trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're an aspiring artist looking for an affordable option with a spacious drawing area. Skip this if you prefer a lighter stylus or a more compact design. For what you get, it's a fantastic deal. In conclusion, we've covered quite a range today, from the high-end HUION Canvas 13 to the budget-friendly XP Pen Deco 1v3 and everything in between. Each of these tablets has something unique to offer based on your specific needs. To wrap it up, the HUION Canvas 13 is perfect for those wanting a high-quality experience, while the XP Pen Deco 1v3 is ideal for beginners on a budget. The HUION Inspiroi H640p and H1060p offer great value for portability and workspace respectively, and the UGEE M708 rounds it out with an affordable option for larger drawing areas. No matter your choice, there's something here for every artist.